Dogecoin is under attack by Jim Cramer and by many of the naysayers out there. And this is what community coins always deal with. Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, they always deal with these attacks from outsiders and naysayers. But so far, they continue to move forward and continue to be top assets, even in this bear market. So we're going to dive into the story here. What's going on? Why Jim Cramer, his remarks have spurred some reactions from the Dogecoin core developer. If you would, hit the like button down below, subscribe if you haven't already. If you like crypto news, you like tutorials, you like to learn, if you're a beginner, we've got you covered right here on the channel. Also, check out all the links down below to learn more about ClearCryptos. It's an asset in and of itself in DeFi, doing some great things to move this space forward after this bear market, setting itself up for to be a big player in the DeFi space and make this space better, because we know blockchain technology is not going anywhere, but we've got to make some changes. So if you want to learn more about what ClearCryptos is doing, check out those links down below. Doge core developer reacts to Jim Cramer's remarks on Dogecoin. So here we go. A trail of reactions has followed CNBC's Mad Money host Jim Cramer, as his criticism of cryptocurrencies has been running rampant as of late, including a special attack on Dogecoin in which he called a con. In the wake of this, Dogecoin core developer Mikey Lumen has taken to Twitter to correct the misinformation about Dogecoin. He says, "So while people are listening to Mad Jim as some sort of oracle, I'd like to point out that for something in itself to be a scam or a con, there has to be a mark and a beneficiary." In a thread of tweets, the Dogecoin developer posited that Jim Cramer was misinformed or wildly incorrect about Dogecoin. She continues by saying that Dogecoin never had a developer pre-mine and that there is no magic button or special allotment of the cryptocurrency to developers. So anyone can run a node on the Dogecoin network, which is controlled by the network of nodes through which it runs. What she's really saying here is nobody runs Dogecoin. It's decentralized. It's a people's currency, as is very similar with Shiba Inu. Dogecoin nodes operate using a decentralized consensus method to prevent malevolent actors from taking control of the network. The role of Dogecoin Foundation, the nonprofit organization, has the responsibility of supporting Doge through development, advocacy, and a roadmap and governance given for the future of Dogecoin. So Dogecoin is still the 8th largest cryptocurrency in terms of market valuation. We can go over and check it out. It's sitting here at just under 10 cents, ranked number 8, market cap of around $13 billion. So despite the negativity from Jim Cramer, Dogecoin and its holder base continues to push this thing forward. And this is interesting that the core developer reacts to some things that Jim Cramer had said. And I'm pretty sure that Jim Cramer didn't bring up these things about Dogecoin, how it's decentralized, how it actually works technically. So this gives Dogecoin faithful even more confidence moving forward. Thank you all so much. Appreciate it. We'll see you in the next video.